Educational Report, Understanding Section 1681I and Disputing Inaccurate Credit Information. Introduction to Section 1681I, Disputed Information Procedures. In the realm of credit repair, Section 1681I of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, outlines the procedures that consumer reporting agencies must follow when handling disputed information. It provides consumers with the right to dispute inaccuracies on their credit reports and mandates that credit bureaus conduct thorough investigations within a specific time frame. Failure to follow these guidelines opens up the possibility for consumers to take legal action. Footnote: Section 1681I sets clear procedures for investigating and resolving disputes regarding inaccurate credit information. Key terminology: understanding the language of credit disputes. Before diving into the dispute process, it's essential to understand the key terms used in Section 1681I. For instance, the term consumer refers to any individual, partnership, or corporation whose information is maintained by a credit reporting agency. The term consumer reporting agency refers to any business that regularly engages in the practice of collecting and evaluating consumer credit information for the purpose of furnishing consumer reports. Understanding these definitions helps consumers navigate the dispute process more effectively. Footnote: familiarizing yourself with terminology like consumer reporting agency, and disputed information is crucial for navigating the dispute process. The 30-day investigation requirement. When a consumer disputes information on their credit report, the credit reporting agency is legally obligated to conduct a reasonable investigation within 30 days of receiving the dispute notification. During this time, they must evaluate whether the disputed information is accurate, and if they fail to do so, the information must be removed. Additionally, if the consumer provides new information during the dispute process, the agency is permitted to extend the investigation by up to 15 days. Footnote: credit bureaus are required to investigate disputed information within 30 days and must remove unverifiable information. What happens if the dispute is frivolous? If a consumer's dispute is deemed frivolous, the credit reporting agency may choose to end the investigation. However, the agency must notify the consumer within 5 days if it determines that the dispute is frivolous. To avoid this, it is important for the consumer to provide sufficient supporting information when filing a dispute. A well-documented dispute will reduce the likelihood of it being categorized as frivolous. Footnote: providing sufficient evidence with your dispute reduces the risk of it being dismissed as frivolous. The reinvestigation and reporting process. Once the investigation is complete, the credit bureau must notify the consumer in writing of the results within 5 business days. If the disputed item is found to be inaccurate, it must be deleted from the consumer's file. If the item is verified as accurate, the consumer must be notified as well. If there is any new information that supports the accuracy of the disputed item, it must be updated accordingly on the report. A failure to notify the consumer of the results within the given time frame is a violation of Section 1681I. Footnote: the consumer must be notified of the results of the reinvestigation, and inaccuracies must be corrected or deleted. Consumers' right to dispute under Section 1681I. Section 1681I provides consumers with the right to dispute information on their credit report if it is incomplete or inaccurate. The dispute process ensures that the consumer's rights are protected, and that only valid, accurate information is reported. If the consumer's dispute is not addressed properly, the consumer has the right to take legal action and file a lawsuit for failure to comply with the FCRA's procedures. Footnote: consumers have the right to dispute inaccuracies, and if the credit bureau fails to comply, legal action can be taken. Practical steps for filing a dispute. To file a dispute under Section 1681I, it is essential that the consumer 1. Identify the inaccurate information on the credit report. 2. Provide all necessary supporting documents to strengthen the dispute. 3. Submit the dispute to the appropriate credit bureau using certified mail for proof of delivery. 4. Follow up within 30 days to ensure the dispute is resolved. 5. Keep track of all correspondence and outcomes for future reference, especially if further legal action is required. Footnote: ensuring that your dispute is well documented and sent via certified mail is key to protecting your rights.